Video content in our business is the only thing people really can use to judge your capabilities. My name is Chris Jackson, and I am the president of Terrafilum Engineered Filaments and Coatings. Our business is a U.S. manufacturing company where we make additive manufactured materials for 3D printers. We also do specialized coatings for different wires, wire ropes, cables. Thomas has been our best marketing practice. We started in 2017. Once we went to the verified program and actually started doing more interaction, we started gaining some real traction. We got people interested, our actual time on our website increased, people started looking at our pages more in depth, and the benefit has been far more real customers coming to us. 95% of our revenue comes from business-to-business clients, purchase orders, and most of those clients started out by reviewing us on Thomasnet, producing our company video. That was a blast. I've had some companies recently come to us because of the video that we've established in Thomasnet and actually tell us, hey, I saw the video. I know you guys are a real manufacturing company. You guys actually do what we want and do what we need. So can you help us here? It's really generated a lot of business for us that way, so people know that we're serious. The Thomasnet program has allowed us to keep that investment active over a period of month over month over month. It's been just continuous, and we've done videos, and now we're doing the SEO program, which is just built on everything that we've done from a marketing perspective. 50% of our top customers now have come from Thomasnet. Those are qualified leads, they're qualified customers coming to us, and they're real, and it's not just a little bit of revenue here or there. Those are customers that represent ongoing business for us and sustained business. So that's where I think the value is in that sustainability of just your customer base.